Study on three target crops. We are doing it on tomato, we are doing it on maize and on beans, and we are targeting one pest on tomato, which is Pitta absoluta. On maize we are targeting three pests. One is fall armworm and stem borers, and among the stem borers we have two species that we are targeting. On beans we are targeting the leaf miners. And the in PRISE we are using three approaches. We are using data models, that is like weather data. We are also using the crop models, that is like the crop growth stages. And we are also using the pest model, and where we are looking at the life cycle of the insect. We want to link these three models to predict when and where a particular life stage is going to occur, so that we can have early warning system to the farmers, so that we can predict outputs, so that the farmers are well prepared in advance to take action. They know that next week there will be an outbreak of this particular pest, and this is the stage it will be at. And they know what to look for. So there is an alert that is going to be received by the farmers, and also an alert goes to plant doctors that are within the plant clinics. So there is a link between research, extension, and the farmers. So once the plant clinic doctor received information, he goes back to the ground to find out what is happening, so that they can report back if the pest was there or not there. So that is basically the concept behind the PRISE project. So here today, what we do, we collect data on the pest from planting. So we place traps on the field, and I will show you later on the traps how they look like. So that is like an early warning system. You can detect the adult insects before they move to the plants to lay their eggs. So you can tell the farmers, now it's a time to look for the eggs on the leaves. It's time to look for the caterpillars, because we understand the life cycle of the insect, so that the farmers can take timely action. And the information that will be generated from the PRISE project can also be used by insurance companies, because you hear of crop insurance. So the crop insurance can predict that this is the risk in for a particular area, so that they can determine the compensation that's based on the risk of a particular pest. So they can estimate the yield loss, and because they know that this will be the severity of a particular